In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use epics in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to refine your project management skills, creating epics is a crucial step in organizing your workflow efficiently. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to Jira. If you haven't done this before, visit the Jira website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard, ready to begin. Now, look to the top menu bar and find the Create button. This is your gateway to starting a new epic, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked Create, a new window will appear. Here, you need to select the appropriate space. The space acts much like a project or category, helping you organize your work according to your company's structure or your team's objectives. Choose the one that best fits your epic's needs. With your space chosen, the next step involves selecting the work type. In Jira, you can manage tasks of different kinds, so picking the correct work type ensures that your epic will be correctly categorized and managed alongside similar efforts. Now, it's time to focus on the actual epic creation. Select the option labeled Epic. By doing this, you're establishing that this is not just any task, but a high-level piece that could encompass numerous related issues or stories. Next, you'll need to fill in some details about your epic. Start with the summary. This is essentially the title of your epic and should be a concise, clear description of what the epic will include or achieve. Immediately following this, you'll write the description. The description is your opportunity to provide more detailed information, goals, and any relevant context that will guide those working on this epic. Make sure to include enough detail to enable your team to understand its full scope. After setting up the epic's summary and description, it's crucial to assign an assignee. This person will be responsible for overseeing the epic and ensuring that all related work progresses smoothly. Then, choose a due date. Setting a deadline helps in keeping the team focused and the project on track to meet key milestones. Following this, determine the team that will be working on the epic and set a start date to indicate when the work begins. An epic might also be more visually distinct if you assign an issue color. This small step helps anyone scanning the board to easily identify the epic among other tasks. Finally, assign a reporter, the person who has created the epic. Adding any necessary attachments is also recommended, as they can provide additional context or resources. Once everything looks good, click the Create button. Afterwards, you'll want to click on View Epic to see your epic in context. Don't hesitate to make improvements, add a comment, or further refine the details as needed. This will ensure your team has all the information necessary to move forward effectively. By following these steps, you'll have successfully created an epic in Jira that keeps your project organized and on target. Happy managing!